Once upon a time, there was a bird that chirped so beautifully. She filled the forest with her chirp from morning to night. Tra-la-lee, tra-la-lee, tra-la-la-la-lee-lee. Many other animals live in the forest, but they were not able to make sounds over the top of the beautiful chirping bird. Even if they tried to make sounds, their sounds just seems to disappear into nowhere. The chirping bird filled the air and the forest with her non-stop chirping, and there was no room for any other sounds. Tra-la-lee, tra-la-lee, tra-la-la-la-lee-lee. If the other animals wants to try to make sounds, they have to go out of the forest or go up to the mountains where there's no competition. One day, however, the beautiful chirping bird grew very sick and was unable to chirp anymore. She rested in her nest day after day. The forest around her was very quiet. And each day, when the other animals returned from the mountains, they wondered what had happened. One by one, the other animals began to stay behind the forest and take turns to make sounds. Soon, the forest was filled with the sound of animals with many different unique sounds. The sick bird was very surprised to listen to many other animals. All their sounds were very different and very unique. She had never heard anything like this before. The more she lay in her nest and listened to the new sounds, the stronger she grew. The unique sounds were helping to heal her. Soon, the chirping bird was feeling better, and she was able to chirp once more. Tra-la-lee, tra-la-lee, tra-la-la-la-lee-lee. But she decided to chirp only every so often and not all the time. She could enjoy the sounds of other animals. She was also recognizing so many new sounds by listening to the other animals, and she felt so happy to hear many unique sounds. Since that day, the forest became well known for its unique animal sounds, and people name it as the sound of forest.